Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. In this class, we will solve some question related to complex number. Okay, so your first question is mod of z1 is equal to 1, mod of z2 is 2, and mod of z3 is 3, and mod of 9z1 z2 plus 4z1 z3 plus z2 z3 is equal to 6. Then the value of mod of z1 plus z2 plus z3 is. In this question, you have given three complex numbers z1, z2 and z3, and you have given already the value of mod of z1, z2 and z3, and the relation between z1, z2 and z3 is will be this. So you will have to find out the value of mod of z1 plus z2 plus z3. In previous class, I had taught you some property related to complex number, and with the help of those property you can easily solve this question. I had taught you a property mod of z is equal to mod of conjugate z is equal to mod of minus z is equal to conjugate of z. All these value will be equal. Okay. So with the help of this property, you can solve this question. So this is a positive complex number. We will use mod of z is equal to mod of conjugate z. So this is mod of z. It is clear? We can easily find out the value of mod of conjugate z. Mod of 9 z1 conjugate z2 conjugate plus 4 z1 conjugate z3 conjugate plus z2 conjugate z3 conjugate is equal to 6. It is clear? Then we will use another property mod of z dot z conjugate is equal to mod of z square. It is clear? So we can find out the value of z conjugate. Z conjugate is equal to z square mod of z square upon z. We will put the value of z in this equation. It is clear? So we have given three complex numbers z1, z2 and z3. So we can easily find out the value of z1, z2 and z3. So z1 will be this. It is clear? And z2 is equal to mod of z2 square upon z2, z2 conjugate. And z3 conjugate will be mod of z3 square upon z3. Then put the value of z1 conjugate, z2 conjugate and z3 conjugate in equation first. It is clear? So we know what is the value of z1. z1 is equal to mod of z1 square upon z1. So in question we have given mod of z1 is equal to 1, mod of z2 is equal to 2 and mod of z3 is equal to 3. We will put the value of mod of z1, z2 and z3. So z1 will be 1 upon z1, z1 conjugate. It is clear? And z2 conjugate will be, what is the value of z2? 2. 2 square 4 upon z2 and z3 will be 9 upon z3. It is clear? Then put the value in equation first. Okay? So 9, what is the value of z1? 1 upon z1 into what is the value of z2? 4 upon z2 plus 4 into 1 upon z1 into 9 upon z3 plus 4 upon z2 into 9 upon z3 is equal to 6. It is clear? If we solve this equation, So what will be 36 Z1 Z2 plus 36 Z1 Z3 plus 36 Z2 and Z3 is equal to 6. Okay. Then in numerator, we will take 36 common. Okay. And we will take LCM. In denominator, the what will be LCM? Z1 Z2 and Z3, Z1 Z2 and Z3. So we can remove Z1 Z2 to Z1 Z2 to what will remains Z3 plus in second step Z2 plus Z1. It is clear? Is equal to 6. This is mod of. It is clear? And 36 will go to right side. So Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 upon, we can separate mod of Z1 Z2 and Z3, mod of Z1, mod of Z2 and mod of Z3 with the help of properties is equal to 6 upon 36. 6 1 is 6 and 6 6 36. It is clear? We know what is the value of Z1 Z2 and Z3. Okay, so Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 upon 1 into 2 into 3 is equal to 1 upon 6. Okay, so Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 is equal to 3 to the 6. Okay, and we will use cross multiplication. So this will be 6 upon 6. So Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 is equal to 1. Okay. So what is the value of mod of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3? Is 1. It is clear? Okay. And the second method is second method. This is shortcut method. This method is very useful in competitive point of view. So you have given Z1 is equal to 1, Z2 is equal to 2 and Z3 is equal to 3, and you have given a relation between Z1 Z2 and Z3. It is clear? And this value will be 6. It is clear? So we use Z1 dot Z2 dot Z3 is equal to 1 into 2 into 3. This will be 6. And you have given a relation 9 Z1 Z3 plus Z1 Z2 plus uh, Z2 Z3 mod of is equal to 6. Okay, you have given the relation, this value is 6. Okay, and when you multiply Z1 Z2 and Z3, this will be 6. 6 by 6 is equal to 1. It is clear? So we can use this shortcut method and you can easily solve this equation. The next question is same question is given mod of Z1, Z2 and Z3, and you have given a relation between Z1, Z2 and Z3, and you will have to find out the value of mod of Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3. In this question, you can use long method, and in this question I am using shortcut method. It is clear? So first of all, you multiply mod of Z1, mod of Z2 and mod of Z3. This will be 1 into 2 into 3. This will be 6. And you have given a relation. This value is 12. Okay, so you will divide the value of this complex number relation upon mod of z1 dot z2 dot z3. So what will be your answer? 12 upon 6. This will be 2. If you solve this question in long method, your answer will be always 2. It is clear? And the next heading is square root of complex number. How we will find out the square root of any complex number? Okay, so we will solve a example, and with the help of this example you can easily understand how we will find out the value of square root. Okay, so in this example you have given a complex number root of 3 minus 4 iota. Okay, root of 3 minus 4 iota. So you will compare this complex number, the equation of complex number. So we know very well what is the equation of complex number: a plus iota b. Okay, and we can easily find out the value of a and b. And in right hand side we will remove the square root. So what will we do? We square both sides. Okay, squaring both sides, what will be your answer? 3 minus 4 iota is equal to a plus iota b square. It is clear? So 3 minus 4 iota, we will use identity a plus b square. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. It is clear? So a square and plus b square. A square plus iota b square minus 2a iota b plus. It is clear? So we know very well iota square is always minus 1. So a square minus b square plus 2a iota b. It is clear? So 3 minus 4 iota is equal to a square minus b square plus iota 2ab. And in this equation, this is a real part, a square minus b square plus iota 2ab. 2ab is imaginary part and this is real part. So if you compare this equation, a plus iota b, so what will be the value of a? A will be a square minus b square. If you will compare both equations, so a square minus b square will be 3. It is clear? And what is the value of 2ab? 2ab is equal to minus 4 because there is minus symbol. So what is the value of a square minus b square will be 3 and 2ab is equal to 4. We compared both equation and then we found the value of real part and imaginary part. With the help of this equation we can easily find out the value of a and b. You can, in this equation we are finding the value of a, and with the help of a we solve this question. But you can find out the value of b and put the value of b this equation and you can find out same value, same answer. It is clear? So put the value of a this equation. Okay, what is the value of a? Minus 2 upon b. So minus 2 square upon b square minus b square is equal to 3. So minus 2 square will be 4. Okay, 4 upon b square minus b square is equal to 3. It is clear? Then we will take LCM this fraction. So this will be b square 4 minus b to the power 4 is equal to 3. Then 4 minus b to the power 4 is equal to 3b square. Okay. We will transfer this equation in right hand side. So this will be 3 minus 3b square plus b to the power 4, and this will be minus 4 is equal to. So your exact equation will be b to the power 4 plus 3b square minus 4 is equal to 0. And you need to find out the root of this equation. And you need to find out the root of 4b to the power 4. How we can break 4b to the power 4, their addition will be plus 3b square. Addition and subtraction is 3b square, and multiplication will comes always b to the power 4. Okay, so we can easily find out the factor of 4b to the power 4. We can break it. B to the power 4 plus 4b square minus b square minus 4 is equal to 0. If we subtract 4b square minus b square, this will be always 3b square, and when we multiply 4b square into b square, this will come always b to the power 4. It is clear? Then we will take common in first two terms. We will take b square common, then what is remains b square plus 4, and we will take minus 1 common, so this comes b square plus 4. It is clear? In whole equation we will take b square plus 4 common, b square plus 4 common, what will remains b square minus 1, this equal to 0. Okay, so b square minus 1 is equal to 0. So b square is equal to 1 and b is equal to plus minus 1. It is clear? And the another is b square plus 4 is equal to 0. Then b square is equal to minus 4. So we can write minus 4, minus 1 and 4. And b is equal to root of minus 1 plus minus 2. And what is the value of minus 1 root minus 1? So b is equal to iota I 2. Okay, so what is the value of b? Plus minus 2 iota. B is equal to plus minus 2 iota, but this is the imaginary number, and in first value v is equal to plus minus 1. So we will use real number. Okay, so first of all, a is equal to minus 2 upon b. So how we will find out the value of b? We know how we will find out the value of a and b. So b is equal to plus minus 1. It is clear? First we will put b is equal to 1. But then a will come. A is equal to 2 upon 1 is equal to 2. If we put b is equal to 1, if we put b is equal to 1, then a is equal to minus 2. And then if we put b is equal to minus 1, a is equal to minus 2. If we put b is equal to minus 1, a will comes 2. If we put b is equal to 1, so a is equal to minus 2. So we have found the value of a and b. It is clear? We can easily make the complex equation a plus iota b. a plus iota b is equal to a minus 2 plus iota b, first equation, and another is 2 plus iota b. So we can write this z is equal to plus minus 2 plus iota because b is 1. It is clear? So how we can find out the value of square root? I hope you could understand. In next class we will solve other example related to square root of complex number. Thank you and have a nice day.